Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add video file in your web page. So we can use video tag and there must be an closing tag. It is similar to the audio element. Basically video file have three standard formats such as .mp4, .wvm and .ogg for web browser. The video element has a number of attributes which allow you to control video playback. First comes to control attribute that discussed in last video. Then come to src attribute. Suppose I want to add this file. So src equal to within quotation that file name means ifl.mp4. Then save the file and refresh in browser. Here we can see we got a nice video controls. Let's play the video and also we can change the volume and we can make full screen. Then comes to autoplay loop. This attribute specify that the video track should play again once it has finished. As you can see, also we can change the video size by using height attribute and width attribute. So we have to mention the value of this attribute. Suppose width equal to 340 and height equal to 450. Then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see the size of video was changed. In this way we can adjust the size of video. I will see you guys in next video.